Neighbors, what's good? It's your guy. I'm back. I know it's been a minute, but you know I had to graduate, then army stuff, all that. Sorry for the late night vlog. We don't typically do this unless we in Mexico, but yeah. So big updates. So boom, I want to introduce y'all to my 2020 Toyota Supra. Yeah, I just treated myself on my birthday. Turned 25, so I treated myself. This is the launch edition. Yeah. So nothing major. A little about it. Like I said, it's 2020. It's a launch edition. Let's go on the inside. Yeah, got the police scanner, all that good stuff. Yeah, I like it a lot. So, yeah, I have 22,000 miles on it. Got my initials and all that good stuff up there. Right here it says it's the 287th one of 1500. Got the little signature over here. You probably can't see it because it's so dang on dark. But overall, this is an amazing car. Gotta wash it again. Overall, I love the car. I got it Thursday. So my birthday was March 10th. I think today's the 21st. So I got it last week on Thursday. Well, I got it shipped here to where I'm at last week on Thursday. Overall, it's good. It was a couple of things already done to it. Excuse me, before I got it. The carbon fiber wheel was put on it. It has some fenders on it. That's pretty cool. The fenders are real nice. This is cool right here. You know, you can draw like what you want on here and it'll pop up on the screen. That's pretty player. So overall, about the Evo. Yeah, as you know, I had the Evo. Oh, 1 second. This is a police scanner or whatever the hell it is. I don't even know how to use this. It was already in the car, but I know when I plug it in, it be working and stuff. So we took a scat pack, not a scat pack, excuse me. We took an RT to Gapplebee's the other day. He downshifted and tried to pull the gear, disappeared, didn't work out how he thought it was. But overall, yeah, man, this is my 2020 Toyota Supra. Freaking love it. Yeah, so about the Evo. I sold the Evo and got the Supra. One of the best things I could have did. And I already had the carbon fiber wing on it. I think I'm gonna take the wing off and probably get another one, or just try to clean this one up. It has a couple of, it's like that little line right there, like it's dirty or something like that. I don't know what that is. I tried to clean it, couldn't get it off. I'm gonna try some glue gun and all that good stuff to get it off of there. Not sure, but yeah, these wheels here, it's nice as hell. These are the fenders I was talking about right here. It already came with those in there. So I did a little research on the car when I bought it. I got the car from North Carolina, McLaren. And what's crazy is I watched a YouTuber build a Toyota Supra, and it was this exact one, to be exact. His name is Thick Whips on YouTube. He had this exact Toyota Supra, like this car right here. He had this one, and he had it built to the T. But he said he didn't want it anymore because it was automatic. He wanted a manual, so he sold it. He took everything off the car, put it back stock. I know because I popped the hood and was looking. I was like, ain't no way he left all that stuff on there. But that didn't happen. So it's stock. Only thing that was on there, like I said, was, you know, it got the little fenders, carbon fiber wheel, the wing, and the little aftermarket Toyota badge. It looks a little different. Sorry, my shadow. It looks purple almost, but that's not really, you know, nothing major. Here comes a Type R. So with that being said, it looks good. This is the red one that comes through here, and it be on bronze wheels. So that looks good. That looks real nice. It looks real nice. Yes, sir. Shout out to those Honda guys, man. But yeah. So back to like I was saying. Yeah. That's pretty much all. He probably think I'm about to move, but I'm not. I'm just doing this video to update y'all. Like I said, sorry for it being nighttime, but overall, I love the car so far. I be having the time of my life, still getting used to it and everything like that. But you know, now that I'm over here, you can see that it looked like something was melted right here, or something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna get that situated and fixed and all of that. But yeah, he had like a methanol kit, downpipe, exhaust. He had like $3,000 exhaust. He had all types of stuff on here, but he took it all off and made the car back stock so he can get the best value, the price, and all of it, that type of stuff. So with that being said, I'm not going to follow in his footsteps because, you know, that was his build, you know, but I will take it in my own direction. He did have some wheels on it that I like, but wheels and tire combo that I like. And I wish he would have kept those on there, but he didn't. So with that being said, we probably just gonna get some more wheels, even though these wheels look hella fucking good already. And the brake calipers on there red. That's cool. Match the interior. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update about what's been going on. After we leave here, we're gonna be kicking it up in Texas for the next 4 years. I leave here in about another 4 weeks. Like I said, it's the 21st. I leave here. It's gonna be out April 22nd or the 25th. But yeah, man, this is my 2020 Supra. I love it. As some people would say, my 2020 BMW. Fine with me because I had a BMW before. But this one here is my favorite BMW. But yeah, guys, I just want to update you on what's been going on. You know, things like that. But it's a lot more content coming because, like I said, I'm back. I done graduated. I'm finally off into my career and everything's going better. So yeah, this is just an update. I spoke with the person who had the car after him, and dude told me why he sold it. He said he wanted to get into stocks and he was trying to make some money, and I was like, okay, sure. I'm not sure how that worked out for him, but yeah, this is pretty much it. So like I said, 22,000 miles, stock. Only thing that's aftermarket is a little cosmetics, but overall, yeah, man, I'm loving it. Gonna go from there and pick up and just try to make the best of it, and we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try to give me a little Forza camera to put on the back so we can get those races in Mexico how we want them. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Just want to give y'all an update on all the good stuff that's been going on and the blessings. Of course, you know, I had to share them with the neighborhood. But yeah, guys, that's it, and neighborhood out.